Hi, I'm Lorna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the ultimate fashion lover, Laura. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Daily Try-On. My name is Laura. So I have here a nice flowy dress by Sweet Lovely by Jen. Now this is something that would be wonderful to wear by the pool or at the beach. It's quite booby, so if you're confident, then you can wear it out wherever you want. But for me, I think I would stick to the beach on this one. I have the Bianca hat on, a little warm for the beach as it's made of felt, but just to give you an idea of an ensemble you can wear. I'm really digging this. I feel kind of like a summer witch vibes. It's got pockets and swish around. And yeah, what do we think? All right, we're back with outfit number 2. Guess who's going to brunch? This girl is. Now, I've got on some capris from Yesta. These are the Irene capris. There's only a few sizes left, and they're on sale in the clearance section, so you want to come and get them really quick. This shirt is from Charlie B. It's new in, so I'm not sure what the name is yet. And then I paired it with this beautiful bag from Pixie Mood. It's the Millie bag. Now, check out this detail on the strap. Super cute, right? Then if you prefer something else, you can always drape it over the front, like a little decoration, and then use the plain strap instead. So, it's mimosa time. Alright, now we're on to outfit number 3. Really feeling the park vibes with this one. It's nice and light linen sheath here. It's called the Bethany. Pairing it with this nice cute little short sleeve denim jacket, which is called the Lorena. Anyway, I feel like I can get an ice cream, go walking by the trees, check out the pond, observe the ducks. Feeling really cute. Alright, here is outfit number 4. This is a beautiful dress from Flying Tomato. It's called the Ashlyn. As you can see, we've got kind of like this gingham sheer overlay up top. It has a green liner underneath. It is a little short on me. I'm 5'8", so I feel a little bit like I'm wearing a doll's dress, but super cute, good for a date, maybe a wedding, if you don't mind being a little risky with the legs. But yeah, it's my favorite color, green. Alright, here is outfit number 5. Speaking of date night, look at this Sophia dress. Beautiful blue velvet. It has pockets. It has a little side slit here. It is on sale for half off. Y'all have been sleeping on this dress. So you might want to come in and check it out before it's gone.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.